I'm trying the Catrice Basic Bae eyeshadow palette today for these 61-year-old eyes. Hi, I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Well, I'm going to do a demo and it's not a whole get ready with me. I'm only doing the eyeshadow from the Catrice Basic Bae. It's a warm palette and all of the makeup I'm wearing today, including this palette, is linked in the description box below the video, so make sure you check that out. And just in case, sometimes people ask me what color lipstick are you wearing, or what's that mascara you used, or what's that blush you're wearing. Everything is below. If you're watching on a phone, you need to tap the little V on the right side to open the description box. If you're watching on a computer, go below the video and click where it says show more. And then let's get right to the demo. I have most of my makeup on, including my brows and an eyeliner in a dark brown, and I'm ready for my Catrice Basic Bae. I'm going to show you a close-up of what these look like. It's fairly neutral. Of course, it's warm. A couple of the shades are a little bit orangey, and there are a lot of shimmers. A couple of them are low shimmer though, so let's see how this goes. So I'm going to start with the one they call Basic, which is just a nice cream, and put that all over the entire lid from the brow down. And there's not too much fallout from this. And brush off some of the extra. Now, as far as transition shades go, there's this one here called Squad, and this one down here called Moto. It's a summer day. I'm gonna go with Squad and let's see how I like it. And I'm just gonna start with a rounded brush. And it is quite light, but I am getting some color that's at least different from the base color. I'm going to go up a little bit here and then down. And then I'll blend it out. Now, to get a little contrast, I'm going to use this one called MCM. It's a brown. And I now realize I didn't go over my liner like I usually do. And I didn't do a little bit of under eye. So I'm going to I did this dark brown liner. I just want to soften that a little bit. And then with what's left over on the brush, a little tiny brush, I'll do some of the lower lid, but just part way. Just going over that liner and then part way on the lower lid. Now I'm going to take a pointed brush and I'm going to dip it back into that MCM just a little bit. And I'm going to go into that outer corner and crease and get as much in there as I can without making a mess and without going too dark. And then I'm going to take my little angle brush and dip it in there also and get a little more defined at the outer corner of the eye and blend it out and see how I like it. And look in my monitor and my other mirror. All right, and then do the same on the other side. did go a little crazy. Try to match my eyes up, going into that outer corner. All right, I'm going to blend that. All right, and then maybe take a little bit of what's left on the brush from doing the all over basic color to clean up some of that. All right, now I have a choice of shimmers, and I'm going to do some on the mobile, well, I'm going to do all shimmer on the mobile lid, but I'll do the outer corner in this one called WCW. They're all hashtags. Oh, somebody just texted me. Isn't that lovely? Thanks, Apple. I'm going to use a little brush for that. Let's see if I can do it in my regular mirror without my 10X. All right, I'm just going to do a little bit in this corner. And I'll blend all that out in a moment. All right, just getting a little bit. And then I'll use one of the lighter colors for the rest of the mobile lid. Now there are a lot of choices. So there's this pinky shimmer. There's this one that's a little more neutral gold. This one is kind of neutral. There's a yellow. There are more browns. There's this one that's very gold. And let me swatch a couple of these. So I'll do the one called Goals. The pink one they call Wifey. Not sure why. It's not coming off very pink on my finger. And I'll do the one called No Filter, and I'll call the one called, I don't know what any of these hashtags mean. Oh yeah, that one's really gold. Extra AAF. You see how similar in color they are? Yeah. So they could have done something a little different when they did these colors because they're so similar. This one is the one that's really gold. I might go with the one that's my middle finger here or my ring finger. Yeah, it did look kind of pink in the pan, but I think I'm going to go with that one. They call it Wifey. Hashtag Wifey. All right. Must mean something. All right. And I'm going to put this all over. Now, I have noticed when I used this palette before, when I'm doing the shimmers, they're not really sticking. So it looks good now, but I'm going to blend. And I think a lot of it falls away when I do the blending, right? I don't know if you can see that. So I'm going to go over that brown one again, just because I want to see these colors on me. And I'm going to go over the lid one again and then do a close-up. All right. And let's see, let's brush away any extra that you might be able to see. All right. All right, so that's the look without mascara. I am going to put on mascara and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look. So check out the price point of this Catrice Basic Bae. And then after you're done checking that out, check out one of my other videos by clicking its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.